Hey everybody, it's Kristina, the mobile home mama, here doing a video. We're starting to thaw out here in Topeka, Indiana. The home we're looking at, we call this home the Littleton. It is a 14 wide. I am gonna take you inside. I am the cameraman and the hostess today, so please bear with me here. This is hot off the press. Just got finished about an hour ago. The Littleton is a very cute single wide. We do have a living room here with a seated bar. We did praline antico as a countertop. These are Formica countertops. We've got a gas stove, a bank of drawers there. Looks like we've got hardwood cabinets. We did pot lighting, which is amazing. You don't have to change your bulbs very often, that's for sure. Nice feature here with the bar. You can have bar seating and still have your living room. We did vinyl throughout with a Casper cashmere on the walls. This is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a great alternative to having too much house. This is just the perfect size for someone who is not looking to break the bank, but still would like something roomy. It's our second size up from the entry level size. So here we go into the bathroom area. Oh, let me turn on my flash. Here we go. 60-inch one-piece fiberglass tub shroud there. 24-inch vanity commode. Over here we've got the washer-dryer area. And I'm currently standing in the bedroom, so let's get a pan view of the closet. We've got standard white trim in this home. Here's another view of the bedroom. Single hung dual pane vinyl windows. They do tilt in for easy cleaning. These are the standard walls. It's a 3/8-inch drywall product with a vinyl backing. I'm over here doing our final inspection. This home is going to ship out tomorrow to the customer. We're going to Illinois with this home. Remember, we do ship to all the Great Lakes states. If you'd like to come and take a visit, tour the factory, tour our model show home village, I'd love to have you. We do provide a free overnight stay. The weather's starting to warm up, so we're starting to get hot and heavy on the tour. So give me a call, 260-383-1009. My name is Kristina, and I am the mobile home mama. Thanks for watching. This is a 14 by 44. Thank you.